Okay, today we're going to take a look at some publicly available procurement data from the federal government, and we're going to take a look at what the difference is between a query-based tool versus the experience with Qlik. We're going to be making some selections within the data to see the difference between the two options. First, we're going to look at funding agency and go ahead and select the Department of Defense. When we do that, you'll already see a pretty stark difference between the two tools here. When we make that selection with a query-based tool, all of the data that does not fall within that selection falls out of view, so we're blind to it. Versus with Qlik, we can actually still see all of the data that falls within that selection, as well as the data that falls without that selection. So this allows us better visibility into our full data set. We're going to select space vehicles as well as an additional selection. And again, you can see the effects down below where you still have visibility of all the data. There's a little bit of an anomaly here. Department of Commerce seems to have something that is tagged as a space vehicle. We may decide we wanted to look into that a little bit further. So we're going to go ahead and select that here. Okay. And we were able to spot that because of the visibility across the full data set. So we don't lose sight of everything that's within our data just because we made a selection. Okay, let's go to another sheet here just to take a little bit closer look and dive into this. Our selections from the previous page stayed the same and carried over. And when we look at this data point on the scatter, we can see that this is actually procurement by NOAA, which makes a little bit more sense as to why they would have something called a space vehicle.